Once upon a time, in a lush and peaceful valley surrounded by towering mountains, there lived a lion named Leo and a gentle, free-spirited goat named Gracie. Despite their stark differences, Leo and Gracie shared a deep bond that went beyond the expectations of their respective species. Leo, with his golden mane and powerful presence, was the undisputed king of the valley. Gracie, on the other hand, roamed the meadows with a carefree spirit, her white fur gleaming in the sunlight. The other animals in the valley marveled at the unlikely friendship that had blossomed between the lion and the goat. It all began one sunny day when Leo came across Gracie grazing near a babbling brook. Instead of pouncing on her as one might expect, Leo was captivated by the peaceful aura that surrounded Gracie. Intrigued, he approached her with caution. Gracie, sensing no threat from the lion, looked up with soft eyes and greeted him warmly. Leo, who had never experienced such kindness, felt a warmth in his heart that he couldn't quite comprehend. From that moment on, an extraordinary connection began to grow between them. As the days passed, Leo and Gracie spent their time exploring the valley together. Leo would protect Gracie from any potential dangers, while Gracie, in turn, would graze and play by Leo's side. Their friendship became a source of inspiration for the other animals in the valley, proving that love could transcend even the most unexpected boundaries. However, as whispers of their unconventional bond spread through the animal community, not everyone was supportive. Some questioned the sincerity of Leo and Gracie's connection, unable to fathom the idea that a lion and a goat could share genuine affection. Undeterred by the skepticism around them, Leo and Gracie continued to cherish their unique friendship. They found solace in the simple joys of companionship, overlooking the judgments that occasionally clouded their happiness. One day, as the sun set behind the mountains, Leo and Gracie stood side by side, gazing at the horizon. Leo spoke with a depth in his voice that surprised even him. "Gracie, our love may be unconventional, but it has taught me that the heart knows no boundaries. Our friendship has shown this valley that love, in all its forms, is a force that can bring joy and harmony." And so, Leo and Gracie's love became a legendary tale in the valley, a testament to the transformative power of love that transcends differences and expectations. In their unity, the lion and the goat had created a lasting legacy of acceptance, proving that sometimes, the most beautiful connections are the ones that defy convention. If you haven't seen this video, click and watch now. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it now.